Yo, what is up guys, it's your boy CYBERPACK back again with another video. Today we're gonna make music. I've been missing because I bet I had a coronavirus or something. Probably not, but I just was sick. But the only thing that I want to be sick are my jobs. So I just have some milk with the thing. I'm just gonna slurp it. I feel pretty good. Thanks for asking. Thanks for caring. And today we're gonna make a sick track. I've been waiting for this moment for years, for decades, for universities, and it finally came. So in the meantime, I discovered some cool things that I'm gonna share with you today. One of them is a electric sunburst. So there's one called Bonfire. It sounds super good, but we're gonna need some MIDI first. We're gonna start with taking some vocals.
I don't wanna keep on second guessing, 'cause guessing is useless.
This is so good. This is too good. So one thing that I discovered thanks to Decup is clip gain. Basically, I have this assigned to a key 2 on the keyboard. So I tried to program this with the auto hotkey, but there's no way to do this. I don't wanna just double click and go here and unwarp this track. It's a lot of work. So I'm just like, I used clip gain to just like be able to hit number 2 to just unwarp or warp the track. Super handy, super useful. So what I like to do when it comes to writing chord progressions, I like to start from respace. I like to start from writing a root notes. Pain and suffering.
'Cause guessing is useless. Useless, useless. Just to keep on guessing is useless.
I don't like that this is in A sharp. Happens all the time. If you've been watching me for some time, you know that every time I get like something cool, like a sick vocal or like sick melody, it's always in A. It's always A, but A, it's too high for bass line.
I don't wanna keep on second guessing, 'cause guessing is useless. Keep on second guessing, 'cause guessing is useless.
Oh, that's kind of cool. Okay, so I'm gonna, because this is dry, I like to use tools like multipass because it just has a lot of like multi-band effect racks. So you just pick them and they like work, you know?
Keep on second guessing, 'cause guessing is useless.
Oh, this one's cool.
Keep on second guessing, 'cause guessing is useless. Keep on.
Okay, this is cool. Now, once we have this chord progression, we can just slap it onto that electric sunburst, and what's gonna happen is we're gonna get this. So like we're getting like really cool guitar, but it's missing something, which is an OCS. So we go and choose. I've tried it already and it works. A mellow. Oh. Oof, hell yeah. Instant vibes.
I don't wanna keep on second guessing, 'cause guessing is useless. Keep on second guessing, 'cause guessing is useless.
And I'm gonna duplicate that because I want to like make a lead out of it.
Useless, useless. I'm not useless, useless.
Like thing this one and just like +5,
Useless, useless.
7.
Not useless, useless, useless.
So I'm gonna use the EQ. So I need this and I'm gonna put a saturator on it. Very important here is this high cut here. So I'm just gonna... That's kind of cool. Maybe let's add like a little altar boy. Okay, so saturator adds some frequencies, but I want only like that's kind of cool. Okay, we can double that. Why the hell not? This adds like a very annoying, like a like humming, very low resonance. Oh, like here, it's so annoying. So I'm gonna show you one cool thing called tone transfer. I've already talked about this on my Instagram. If you wanna get some, like if I'm not uploading videos, I sometimes just like post a story on Instagram with like cool stuff I discover. If you wanna, just, you know, like if you wanna like stay tuned, like stay fresh, like out of fridge, just follow me, you know. This basically allows you to convert any of the inputs here or into like a violin, saxophone. Crazy. So I'm just gonna hit upload. I'm gonna just drag this.
I don't wanna keep on saying.
Yeah, and I'm gonna just hit transform. So basically this is some AI magic that it's doing, and it's converting this vocal into flute, saxophone, trumpet, violin. So the violin one is sick, and just like put it here, like see what it sounds like. Okay, so we need like a vibe. Okay, let's add a bass for now. So when you're watching this video, probably the lo-fi pack is out, and along with the lo-fi pack as a bonus comes a lo-fi presets. And you know, their synth presets work for like really vibey beats, but also work for like future bassy things. Oh, this one can work. I wanna try because I made one loop. This one may. Oh, there you go. Okay, so I'm sitting on this part for a long time. I'm just gonna switch to like a build up or something, because I'm just like not able to do anything in it. Yeah, like a soft rim shot. Okay, so this one has got to be shorter. Like okay, smooth transition. It's gonna be white noise simply. See, I just click number 2. Okay, so we can add some like just like duplicate that. We can add some like vocal lead lines in between with like a lot of reverb. That can just like be pretty cool for ambience. This is one that's just like super long. Just kind of like speed it up. Speed it up, pitch it up. Yeah, maybe a different vocal. First time So this is just gonna play in the background. can take this one too. This is a major. Whatever, actually.
This guessing is useless. This guessing is useless. This guessing is useless.
So like duplicate that. We have like a background layer. We can do, I guess, we could just like look for like ambience things. This brass is cool. Oh, the brass is heavy. Put that brass here and go like. I think it's fine. I'm just gonna duplicate that. Take a bass I made some time ago. Super dirty, super phasey. So there has to be a swing. Oh, how about this? Dun, 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 dun. This could work here in there as a respace, like here. Okay, I think we can listen to the whole thing finally. This is good. This is good. This is actually pretty good. So make sure to grab a lo-fi sample pack if it's out. If it's not out, wait for it. Check out CYBERPACK. Let me know what you think about this track. Is it cool? Is it not cool? Are you crazy? Are you healthy? Because I'm about to get healthy, you know. So have a nice day and see you in the next one. So that's it. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, you can side on that subscribe button. Also, you can visit my site over sample.us for some high quality samples, presets, and free sounds.